Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to verify your email address on character.ai. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type character.ai and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of character.ai. As you can see, there are lots of characters here for you to chat with. Right now, what we want to do is simply sign up. Click on the sign up button that you will find at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now it's going to ask you to sign up using these three methods. That's either using your Google account, your Apple account, or simply your email address. Enter your email address right here. Once you've entered your email address, simply click on continue. Now it says a verification link has been sent to the registered email address. Let's simply go to Gmail. Right here we can see the link that has been sent to our registered email address. Simply click on it. Now it's going to ask us to click on this link right here, or you can also click on this web address pasted below. You can click on any one among those. For now, I'm simply going to click to log into character.ai. And as you can see, I've successfully followed the sign up processes. Once everything's okay, click on this create account button right here. And then simultaneously, you have created your account and verified yourself as well. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you verify yourself on character.ai. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.